Do you want to grow your email list but don't know how? I know Etsy makes it super challenging since links that point outside of Etsy are not clickable when you add them to your description. So the customer will have to copy and paste the link to the browser, which some people will not do because there are too many steps involved. Now, in today's hack, I'm going to show you an easier way to grow your email list by adding a QR code to your listing photos. Let's get started. All right, so let's say that I want to drive traffic to this particular landing page where someone could grab this free Etsy SEO guide. The first thing you want to do is grab the URL where you're sending the traffic to. So go ahead and copy that URL. Then you want to head over to Canva. Now, keep in mind, I do have Canva Pro. So if you start doing the QR code and the option is not available for you, you might have to upgrade to Canva Pro. I do have a referral link that you could try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. If you're interested, I will drop it in the comments below. So the first thing you want to do is create your listing photo that you're going to add the QR code. I'm going to do mine's 2000 by 2000 because that's normally what I use for my photos. So go ahead and do the dimensions of the photo size that you currently use. Go ahead and create design. It's going to have a new Canva template right here. And all you're going to do is go to the navigation bar right here to your left. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you see QR code. You're going to click there. And it's going to prompt you to enter your URL. This is the landing page where customers go to sign up for your email list to get the discount, lead magnet, or whatever incentive you're offering. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate QR code. So this is a QR code that people are going to scan to head over to the actual lead magnet that I offer. So from here, you can actually go ahead and change the background with your branding colors if you want to. And you can also add text as well. So what I like to do is add some sort of text, like a call to action. So you could put something like scan for 20% off. And you can also add your logo or any other wording that you would like down here if you wanted to as well. Once you're happy with your final copy, all you're going to do is click on share, go to download. I would download it as a PNG. And this is the picture that you're going to upload to your Etsy photos. And all that's going to happen now is that when people are browsing through your photos, they're going to come across this. And all they're going to do is scan it. And once they scan it with their camera phone, it's going to take them directly to your landing page. So this is how easy it is to collect emails from Etsy.